All right. Good evening, fellow mathematicians. What do we have going on here? Looks like we are evaluating functions and the vertex of a quadratic function. Okay, super fun. And we do have two quadratics here. We have f of x and we have g of x. Okay. And what we're asked to do here is which function has a larger value at x equals 9. Basically, what's the value of y when x equals 9? Okay, and if you don't know, you know now. F of x, or this part right here that I'm swirling over with my mouse, that is y. So f of x is y, the letter y, and g of x too. That's y. Okay, and the second thing we're asked to do, which function has the lowest minimum? All right, so we know both of these quadratics, they open up because the leading coefficient is positive. The leading coefficient is the number in front of x squared. So we have a 1 here, the two here, they're both positive, so they both open up. Why is that important? Well, because they open up, they have no maximum, right? They go up indefinitely, but they only go down so far before they start going back up again, right? So they do have a minimum. So, but let's just stay focused on one at a time. We'll come back to you. Number two, we'll talk about the vertex after. But just to stay focused here, let's talk about evaluating the function. When you see that in math, that means you're going to be taking a variable out, putting a number in its place, and then simplifying, right, for a numerical value. So, what's the value of y when x equals 9? That's what's going on here. So let's figure that out. So I'm thinking the red. Yes, let's go. So f of x equals x squared plus x minus 3. So then f of 9, okay, for every x, I'm going to replace it with the number 9. So instead of x squared, I have 9 squared. The stylus is horrible. Plus 2 times x, instead of x, I have 2 times 9. And then I still have that minus 3 there. I'll try the stylus. That was not very good. Okay, so now PEMDAS is going to be paramount here, guys. We're going to clean this up. Right, so exponents are going to come before addition or multiplication or subtraction, right? So exponents first. 9 squared is 18, right? No, psych, got you. It's not 9 times 2, it's 9 times 9. That's horrible handwriting. Okay, 9 times 9 is 81. Plus, now this is 9 times 2, right? Plus 18. Okay, and then minus 3. There's no x over there, so the 3 is just himself. Okay, now 81, multiplication, sorry, I misspoke. Addition and subtraction do go left from right. So 81 plus 18, I like to think of that as 81 plus 20, and then oops, I accidentally added 2 too many. Let's make that, and then we'll go ahead and take away 2. So 81 plus, looks like my light died. No big deal. Okay, this one. There we go. A little better. So 81 plus 18 minus 3. Clean that up. 96. So over here at f of x land, when x equals 9, y equals 96. Okay. Maybe you want to express that as a coordinate point on the parabola. You do so like this. Well, that's fun, right? All right, cool. All right, so that's for f of x. Now let's see what's going on with g of x. Yeah, here's g of x over here. G of x is 2 times x squared minus 4x minus 30. So, same thing we did for f of x. Put a 9 there, and for x, and then clean it up. So g of 9 equals 2 times 9 squared, right, minus 4 times 9 minus 30. Oh no. There we go. All right, cool. All right, so just like before, exponents come first, right? So we're only squaring the 9, not this 2, right? Only squaring the 9, so 81. And then 81 times 2 to get 161. 162, I'm so sorry. G of 9 equals 162. Okay, minus. Then 4 times 9 is 36. And then minus 30. Alrighty, cool. Now, putting these three terms together here, because they are like terms, 162 minus 30, right, brings us to 162. We'll go ahead and take away 30 to get to 132. Oh, it's 96 again. Okay. So G of 9 also equals 96. Well, that's interesting. These two functions intersect here. This is a point that they share on the graph. Very cool. So which one, who has the larger value? Sorry, who has the larger value at x equals 9? Trick question. They are equal there, right? They're both equal to 96 there. Nice try.